Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to sync Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to sync Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. For the Sync Microsoft Teams feature, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Go to People menu. This is already in the People menu. Here there is a People menu and tap Manage. Here several options will appear to synchronize. To synchronize to a mobile phone, tap here. And a barcode will appear to be scanned via your cell phone. And here you can also synchronize to Microsoft Outlook and also to your Microsoft Skype application. So that's it, tutorial how to sync Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.